In this video, we are going to see how we can use the WordPress REST API with Postman. In a past video, we saw how we can create our own custom endpoint, and in this video, we are going to see how we can use that endpoint but using Postman. So we can come here to the computer and we can see that we have this information from our users, and this is coming from our code that we did in the last video. So here we have our custom endpoint that is going to give us the user that we pass. Here is the user one, and it's going to get it and it's going to give us the information. So we are using this in the theme to see the response and see if this is working or not. This is what we did in the last video. But this is not the best way of develop, in this case, an API. So we are going to use Postman. So for that, we need two things. We need to take Postman, that is free. So you can come here to Postman, you can install it in your computer, you can click here, create a new connection, and here we have a get request. So here we have a get request, that is the one that we are going to use. We are going to copy the endpoint, we are going to put it in Postman, and we are going to select localhost, that is the one that we are using in our website. So right now we are making this call, home URL that is calling this localhost, and the JSON that is calling here. Okay, so right now if we click in send, it should retrieve the data of the user with ID 1. We click send, and here we have the information. If we come to the website, we can see this ID 1 user login admin, and here we have ID 1 user login admin. But as you can see, the information is better structured, so we can use and we can work with it much better than doing it here. If we want to change something else, maybe we want to check the user number 2, we save, we reload, and we get a null. If we go to Postman and we do the same, we click send, and here we have warning attempting to read data on false, that will be that null. If we want to check the REST API, we can come here, delete this, save, reload, and here we have our REST API. But we can't see anything. Here is very difficult to see it. If we go to Postman, we can remove the user, click send, and now here we have all the information of our REST API, and here we have our custom endpoint. So as you can see, Postman is going to help you to develop your APIs much faster and much better. It's more easier to do it. So in the next video, we are going to see what is Postman and different things that we can do with Postman. So I hope you like it. Click the subscription button, comment, like it, and we see you in the next video.